Hello friends. So we will have an exercise based on would, our lesson on would. And would is the past equivalent of will, and basic meaning is future predictions. As you can see, today this is an exercise for us. You have to spot, you have to find out what is the meaning, in what meaning we have used would in these sentences. And their uses and also the uses of would and also the meanings of would. And let's continue. We have got, I knew he would win, that is a future prediction, isn't it? Yes. We thought it would be easy, again a future prediction. But the point of time is past. That is, he said he would attend the meeting. He said he would attend the meeting. Future prediction again. She would like to eat sweets. She would like to eat sweets. So that is those days, that is understood. So it is regular action. She would like to eat sweets, that is regular action. We would go for hunting, again regular action. Some habit in the past, we would go those days, that is understood. If you lived here, you would get all help. That is hypothetical, isn't it? They are conditional. If you lived here, hypothetical result. And the result will be, you will get all help. I remember that would Jim calling. I remember that would be, that would be Jim. Sorry for the error. That would be Jim calling. That is guessing, no? So you can say inferred probability. Yes, I knew. It must be Jim. That is right. If you prayed, would you please help me? Would you please help me? Polite, very polite request. And the next one, 9, if you prayed, you would be blessed. Again, hypothetical result. The conditional, hypothetical means conditional. And 10th, we would never stop talking those days. We would never stop talking. When we were young or when we were living in the hostel, we would never stop talking. So that is a regular action. So regular action. We would never stop. And then next is 11, he would keep promises. He would keep promises. That is a regular action. That is the way he used to do. That his nature is like that he would keep promises. I would revise my lessons. Again, regular action. When I was a student, I used to revise my lessons. That is understood. If things go like this, it would be difficult to manage. Again, hypothetical result. Condition. If things go like this, it will be tough for me to manage. Tough for us to manage. 14. Sure, that would be my friend Kim. That is, again, that inferred probability. Sure, that would be my friend Kim. He is calling me, or he is talking to me, or he is coming. He has given a message to me, sent a message to me that he will be coming. Then immediately he is recalling me. Yes, that would be my friend Jim. And would you step into my house, please? Would you step into my house, please? So that is a very polite request. Would you please sit down? That is polite request. So, different meanings you have seen, and how these meanings have been clearly explained in these test frames or these sentences. 15 sentences, so always we do sets of 15 sentences, and here also we have done it, and I think now things are clear to you, very clear. So now problem, there is any problem, still you can ask me. Any question? We would go for hunting. That is a past regular action. We would go. Those days we would go. So we would never stop talking. Again, a past action. Understand? So that is in those days. That is understood. We would never stop. If you lived here, you would get all the help. That is hypothetical. So that is hypothetical result. So it is I think things are very clear. And the first two, I knew he would win, that is a future prediction. But the I knew, so that is the past. Standing in the past, you are saying something that would happen those days. So that is future prediction or future past we say. Future past. That's it. Future is the prediction and past is the time. That's why it is future past. Understand? As I told you the other day, it was very difficult for me also to understand what is meant by future past. He said present fact, future past, past past and so on. I was thinking like that. Hope that it is clear. By see you. So remember this, that to kill the killer virus, use soap and sanitizer. Take care of your health and make the best use of the time that you are spending at home, preferably by studying English grammar. Bye. Have a nice day.